to build house. Now is the time to buy house. Now is the time to make that critical investment in your life.
And the government of Jamaica has made home ownership a reality for many Jamaicans. Through the National Housing Trust, 5,321 housing solutions have been delivered in 2019, and scores more were built at 9 projects under the Trust's Guaranteed Purchase Program. This project allows the Housing Trust to purchase units in housing developments conceptualized by developers. And since May 1, NHT mortgages have seen a 1% reduction in their interest rates. Prospective mortgagers have been accessing loans of up to $6.5 million. Income bands have been expanded for more mortgages to access home grants. The construction loan limits on NHT lots have been increased, and an intergenerational mortgage scheme has been introduced to allow more Jamaicans to own homes.
We're putting in place all the components for a safe, sustainable, and affordable community.
Over at the Housing Agency of Jamaica, contracts have been signed and work has started on several housing developments across the island. They are the 1,650-unit Catherine Estates at Bernard Lodge in St. Catherine, Rhine Park St. James's 754-unit development, and 623 units at Shooters Hill in St. Catherine. The Housing Agency has also issued 434 land titles in 2019.
The manifestation of hope and commitment of this government to you and to the people of Jamaica. Our duty, our responsibility, our desire to see home ownership for all of our citizens.
And through the work of the Jamaica Mortgage Bank, citizens can access homes at 8 housing projects across the corporate area. The bank provided $1.5 billion in loans to developers investing in these projects.
We are going to do whatever is necessary to stimulate the market and to continue to attract developers.
Government has also tabled a new housing policy that's aimed at creating a suitable environment to bring 15,000 affordable housing solutions annually to the market. And what's more,
Next year, we have another program that is going to come that will rapidly increase the number of housing solutions coming to market. What we will do in Bernard Lodge, what we will do in St. Thomas and in other areas of the country will rapidly expand housing. And then we have to now reclaim the communities in Kingston to make them attractive again for people to live in.
for more information, contact the National Housing Trust and the Housing Agency of Jamaica.